Hello there guys, and welcome back. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to clean the wheels and tires efficiently and quickly without using any pressure washer. APC build hammer dilute 1 to 10 and Quasar pump spray. I'm going to saturate the wheel and tires, and we're going to need 3 brushes. The first brush is the EZ brush. We use it to agitate the inner barrel of the wheel. We're going to use the EZ brush to agitate the wheel spokes themselves because it's a lot easier that way. We're going to use just a regular brush to agitate the face of the wheel, the lug nuts, and the face of the wheel spokes, and then the intricate areas of the wheel. Last but not least, the tire scrubbing brush for the tires themselves. We're going to use O&R to rinse off all of the foam, all of the dirt off. And O&R is it's good for neutralizing all the foam, and we can go straight on to drying the wheel, and O&R helps to dry the wheel easier. Then we're going to wait for the tires to dry out, or you can dry them out straight away if you want. I'm just going to wait for them to dry. Next thing, I'm going to use my new tire applicator brush with a combination of a liquid tire dressing from autoglym. I'm showing it in my videos previously, and it's a really good combination. I love this tire applicator. So thank you for watching the video guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos.